Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to number page starting with page 2. So you can double click on header and will be show for the header and footer tools. Click on page number and I will use the bottom of page. Click on line number 3. So we have this number 1 and 2. The next you can check in different first page in option to be erase the page number in page 1. After it, you can select the number, right click, and then go to format page number. So you can set start at 0. Click OK. And that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to page starting with page 2. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.